Today we're going to practice our backing. It's always good to practice backing. Whenever you can find a space where they will allow you to, it's always good to get some practice in. Nice and slow. Don't hit anything. That's rule number one. Make sure you always check all of your mirrors. Watch all of your surroundings. Little turns go a long way, and that bend is your friend. These are angled spots. Angled spots are a lot more difficult to get into. When in doubt, get out and look. One thing I always find a problem is when you have a lot of empty space with no obstacles to challenge you with. Those are always the hardest for me to get into. So when we have too much of a bend, we need to do everything we can to soften it. Just remember, practice makes perfect. I have a brand new truck with digital mirrors, so right now my student and I are both learning on how to use it. It is also good to try different techniques, like 90-degree backing, 45 backing. We do everything we can to avoid blindside.